This is the 10th edition of the Annual Radiology Meeting. We are celebrating the conclusion of the first decade, engaging into the next journey, next chapter of our journey, successful journey, and extending nationally, internationally, and globally. In preparation also for the World Congress of next year for the ISRRT. We're gearing a lot of effects and efforts towards how to make this event even more successful. I'll run through some of the numbers that we have accomplished this year. There's a very marked increase in the number of abstracts. I think we doubled the abstracts, so we have 140 abstracts that we have received this time. We also have received a good number of posters. I think we exceeded 30. We had 50 brands this year. We had 24, I would say, sessions, scientific sessions. We had 4 workshops. I think we have 18 countries contributing with speakers, worth of speakers, national and international. I think the 4th edition, we had a poster competition, and I remember the person who have represented the poster, she won. And now she's returning as a speaker. So this is how we're building legacy. We're seeing people evolving from students to learners and then to people who are actually contributing to the workforce. So this is the effect that I would like to see as an academic. This is certainly something that is very rewarding. We're really focused on science. We're really focused on patients and the education of people who actually serve patients. So I think this is the most important thing, the most important niche in the Annual Radiology Meeting. It's really patient-centered. I would like to welcome everyone to the Annual Radiology Meeting, the special edition for the ISRRT World Congress under the theme of a new era in Arab radiology. I hope to see you next year. It's going to be really massive. We have a lot of surprises, many input from different technology, whether it's technology or even research-based, academic-based. We're expanding, and you'll see how things will evolve. There are more surprises as we go, so keep an eye on the webpage. You'll be surprised.